If 3 siomais cost 15 pesos, how much if Kenneth buy 12 siomais? So ito ay simpleng ratio and proportion lang. Kasi syempre, as the number of siomai increases, syempre yung cost mag-i-increase din. So lagay natin S for siomai and then C for cost. So we have 3 siomai cost 15 pesos. The question is how much if Kenneth buy 12 siomai? So yung 12 lagay natin dito sa S. And then, hinahanap natin yung cost, lagyan natin ng N. Okay, so madali nang isolve ito by inspection lang. So mapapansin natin yung siomai from 3 naging 12. Ano ang ginawa doon? Times 4 lang yan. So therefore, itong 15, ang gagawin natin, times 4 lang din. So we have 15 times 4, the answer is 60, which is letter D. Or another solution, we can set up the proportion. So we have 3 is to 15 equals 12 is to n, and then solve for n, use the product of extremes. So we have 3n equals product of the means. So 15 times 12. So unahin natin yung division, divide muna. Divide both sides by 3 para lumiit yung answer natin. 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4, and then multiply 15 times 4 is 60. So same answer, letter D. Follow for more.